to Vlogmas. I decided to try to vlog this evening. Came home and Glenn wants me to open an early Christmas present. I still don't know why. Isn't this wrapping paper so cute though? Is it nice to like use?
It's pretty good.
You wrapped this. Is it sweater? Why are you saying this is a now gift?
It's something you wear now more than like.
I want to wear it in general. It's so cute. Was it hard to find? Like what I was talking about?
No, you added it to your Amazon cart.
Oh, did I?
I
don't even remember that I did that. Look how cute. Ooh, it's soft. Isn't that so cute?
Mm-hmm.
I like the edges. Thank you. Okay, now you gotta open one. So I was trying to, this is the one I was trying to get you to open the other night, but you're like, I'm tired. And I'm gonna preface this by saying I want to do it together. That didn't give anything away.
I completely forgot about it until I saw the Target box. Like, you would have gotten me if you...
Huh?
You would have gotten me if I didn't see the Target box.
Even though you knew you were getting it?
Yep.
Like you just forgot?
I completely forgot. Pretty cool.
Like it's the whole station and all the peoples and like the cart and the train. I think this is so cool. Like you open it and they have the little seats and everything. So I want to do it together. Like maybe watch a Christmas movie and make it together. But they have the little cart trolley. The little trolley.
I don't know where I'm gonna put it.
I don't either. We need to start making some room for some Legos. Now that the presents are done, we're gonna go head to the grocery store because we gotta make Christmas cookies tonight for work tomorrow, and then we have to figure out dinner for us tonight.
Why do we have to eat all the time?
Oh, can I open my advent calendar?
Yes.
So Glenn got me the Revolve. We're gonna lose our tripod. Glenn got me the Revolve Beauty advent calendar, so I've been opening it every day. So far, I've gotten glow drop. I got like bronzing drops. I got glow drops. I got slip hair ties. I got this Bare Minerals complexion rescue bronzer and blush. This one's heavy. Oh. To me, this doesn't seem like it should be in a beauty box. It is Fast Aging Digestive Support Bloat Capsules by Array. I don't think that should be in a beauty box. Like, skincare makes sense, but this doesn't make sense to me. I mean, I guess if you're not bloated, you're beautiful? I don't know. They're horse pills! That's huge. I don't smell. There's only 15 servings in here, so it's not even a full 30-day spot. Not the most exciting thing in this box. I thought it was going to be like a candle. Because it was heavy. Okay. Now we're headed to the grocery store. We landed on Molly World. What vegetable we picking? Oh, we may get some cauliflower. We haven't had cauliflower in a while. Does it look good though? Night tomorrow. So we're doing cauliflower tuna tonight. So they get Hershey's milk chocolate and chocolate. Like Avery was saying. I was hoping they had like bacon and stuff. Dinner. I don't think it's that interesting that we had dinner. We literally just did. And Glenn cooked for me. He made grilled chicken, cauliflower, and corn. So now we're making Christmas cookies for work. So I almost have this recipe memorized, just not quite yet. But we're starting off with 2 sticks of unsalted butter. It's supposed to be room temperature, but I indeed do not have time to make it room temperature because we just got these. So I am making this cookie recipe. If you want to know like the full recipe, I can try to like type it out below in the description. Future Abby, remember that when you're editing. But I did make a video of making these cookies with my best friend Avery. If you want to see that, that is Vlogmas day 3, I think. So I'm sticking these in the microwave to make them room temperature a little bit. And then we're getting sugar and brown sugar, and it's 3/4 cup of both. While we're making these cookies, we're gonna be watching Gilmore Girls. So I might just time lapse this. We shall see. batches. So I'm gonna put the dough in this bowl to keep going, and then I can mix the other one in the same bowl because I only have one KitchenAid bowl right now. Successfully completed the cookie baking. I don't want to get too crazy holding this up, but I think I might have enough for work tomorrow. That's heavy. That's like at least like 5 pounds. We ate 2 cookies and he said they were good, so they should be good. The kitchen is picked up for the most part. I am trying to finish editing right now a Vlogmas video for you guys. It's a like chit-chatty get ready with me kind of thing to like get to know me a little bit more. My face is so red right now. I don't know why, because I couldn't eat any of those cookies, so I didn't. I don't know why my face is so red. But good night. Thank you for joining me. Come back tomorrow for Vlogmas. I hope you're enjoying it so far. I definitely missed a lot of days, but we're back on it and I'm determined. Thank you so much for being here and good night.